Hey everybody, this is Deb, and in this video I am going to show you how to create Pinterest group boards with collaborators. It's very easy. But before I show you, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to ensure that you're made aware of any new videos that come up on the channel. So now, with that being said, let's move forward and open up our Pinterest account. I usually will go to my home page, to my profile, and I hit save so I can look at all my boards. Now, to create a group board, it's the same as creating a regular board. So we're going to hit the plus sign either up here in the middle or down here at the bottom. Choose board. Put in your board name. So I'm going to put in Pinterest Training. And then the very next thing you see is Collaborators. Right now, you will only see yourself as a collaborator. You are the one that created this board, so you will be first. But to the right, you'll see a little icon of a person with a plus sign. If you click on that, all of your followers is on here, and you can click those names and that will send them. You can click the names, see, and it selects them, and then you hit done. And when you hit done, and I'm not hitting done right now, it will send them an invite to your board. So when you get at least one onto your board here, you've now got a group board. And the people that you've invited are your collaborators. And then later you will get people that will ask you if they can be a collaborator on your board. And you can respond to those requests as well. So that's it. It's not very difficult at all. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. The YouTube gods love it when you do that. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.